I'm Emily.
I'm Brooke, and we're talking about the safety of seatbelts. People not wearing a seatbelt are 30 times more likely to be ejected from a vehicle during a crash. More than 3 out of 4 people who are ejected during a fatal crash die from their injuries.
Wearing a seatbelt could save you money. If you don't wear a seatbelt, you can be fined.
Taking it slow is no excuse. To your body, a crash at the seemingly low speed of 25 miles per hour is the equivalent of falling from a second-story window.
Hourly in the U.S., at least one person loses their life because he or she did not buckle up before driving.
Thanks for watching!
Make sure to buckle up!
Fly, fly, fly. Scoochie, huh? Fly, Scoochie, huh? You can't tell me